Hello everyone. This is gonna be a quick little design with me because your girl decided late at night to want to create some jewelry pieces for me to wear tomorrow for work. Nothing special is going on tomorrow. I just like the colors, the color combo that I'm wearing, and I want some jewelry to match that. So it's gonna be really quick, and hopefully I won't get tired along the way and just say, screw it, I'm gonna wear whatever I already have made. So anyway, I'm gonna go with these colorful gemstone beads here. And I got these from my local bead store. As you can see, we have the kind of like the dusty red color here. And then we have the natural brown color. Well, kind of like beige brown. Then we have what we call they call tiger's eye. Now, I'm not sure if these are real gemstones or not, but this is what they label it as at the local bead store. So this is tiger's eye here. I don't know all the names, like I said, of the gemstones or the gemstones replicas. I'm not sure, but here I just love this color. I don't know why this color is just so beautiful, but it is. And then we have our two blues. We have one that has a little bit more white in, and then we have one that's a little darker blue. And at the end, we have a purple. I like this purple. And I keep forgetting the name of this type of bead or gemstone. So maybe because it's late at night, it's probably why I can't think of it. So I have this strand here. I'm just going to use this strand to make my bracelet. Of course, here you see I got some findings here. I think I'm going to use this as the bold piece in the middle. And then for my earrings, I'm going to use these beautiful things here. Now, I just finished using this type of style with another color of findings. It's brass silver. It's brass, but it's silver coated or silver plated. So it's kind of the same thing I'm doing with that, but I'm using gold instead. So hopefully it comes out right. Of course, I have my earring post here that I will be using. That's going to be the top. And then I'm going to probably use this here in the back. I'm not quite sure yet, but we're going to see. We're going to run with it and see if I like it. Okay. There is one more thing I think I'm going to add. I'm not quite sure I'm going to add it or not, but as I go along, I'll see if I really want to add something like that. It's another piece of finding. But I can't quite find it right now, so I don't know. But we just, oh, I found something else that I might like. Oh no. We're going to put this together and see what I'm going to like and what I'm going to bring to the table here. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started, and hopefully it won't be too long. Hopefully it won't be too long for me to get this. I'm going to be fast forwarding this whole video because I'm not going to do too much talking because, like I said, it is pretty late at night and I need to get this going so I can lay my happy tail down and get me some Z's. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just get started to design, shall we? is the finished product here. There's a couple of things that I did do off camera. I did switch the jump rings off here at the top. I switched them for something a little bit smaller because I thought the ones that I had at the top was a little too big. And of course, I cut off the stretchy cord, the extra stretchy cord off here on the bracelet. But overall, like, this is very nice for me to come up with. Can you see it? It's very, very nice. I absolutely love these. And you get a better view of it at the end of the video. But this is what I came up with. This is what I'm going to be rocking tomorrow. So, yeah. And this is it for this video. It was just a quick design with me. Something that I wanted to just throw together so I can have my own originals on my wrist and in my ears tomorrow. So this is it for this video. Again, I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by. If you can, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you know when so you know when I post another video. I don't even think I introduced myself at the beginning. I am so bad. Hello, my name is Ovana Marie, and I am CEO of OV Marie Creations, where I focus on jewelry and everything crafty. And again, thank you for stopping by. Until next time, peace.